know it is possible to get a criminal conviction for riding an electric scooter? Probably not, but it is possible. Just ride it on the road. And now I'll explain to you why you can get a criminal conviction and how to avoid it. Hi guys, my name is Dmitry. First of all, thank you for your support. I really appreciate that you have already subscribed on my channel, left a comment, placed any like or even dislike. No, like. Because any your reaction makes me work hard to create a next video for you. You may know that speaking foreign language is challenging. However, I'm trying all my best to make you understand what I mean. English is a foreign language for me. I have been living in this country for less than 3 years and every day I learn something new. What is new for me today? It's English law. English law is very interesting. It is different from different countries, or another country's law different from English. I could never imagine that if I don't agree with the fine for riding an e-scooter can potentially give me a criminal conviction. Just one thing. Criminal conviction is not a criminal record. Yet. If it is the first video you are watching on my channel, I would like to give you a 10 seconds brief on what is going on here. On the 15th of April 2021, I had been stopped by traffic police for the responsible riding an electric scooter on a road. They seized my e-scooter for not having insurance.
Oh, Dimitri.
Yep.
Your scooter is going to be taken to our car pound in Cholton.
Weird, isn't it? As nobody has it, because you can't buy it. Why it's happening? Because electric scooter is classified as personal light electric vehicle, PLEV. We know that some kind of e-bikes are legal, despite they have the same motor. E-bikes are classified as electrically assisted pedal cycles, EAPC. EAPC are fully legal in the UK, but electric scooter, which is PLEV, isn't. Electric scooter can only be used on the UK roads via hire scheme as a part of government trials. However, everybody is expecting the government to make privately owned electric scooters legal.
Do you want them to become legal?
Of course I do, man.
Yeah.
Definitely, mate. And I want, like, not just for them to rent them out and make a profit off it.
Yeah.
We should be able to buy our own one and use it freely. We're supposed to be in a free country, right?
Would you like them to get legalized?
Yes. I'd love for them to get legalised. Please, bros, please, please legalise them because it's breaking my heart. It's breaking my heart.
If you did watch my previous videos, you know that I have received a conditional offer of fixed penalty of £300 and endorsement of 6 penalty points.
Come on, legalise the scooters.
I tried to hire a solicitor to deal with the police, and solicitor sent a letter to the police saying that I'm a good boy and I'm a person of a good character. The police response said that they regret, but the mitigation doesn't provide sufficient grounds to withdraw the conditional offer. The offence of no insurance carries a mandatory £300 fine and endorsement of 6 penalty points. But if this is not enough for me and I want to be treated even harder, we may proceed to magistrate. However, solicitor warned me there is no legal defense for riding a motor vehicle without insurance. I was thinking about the defense line that I wasn't using the electric power, but solicitor explained me that in case we don't win, in addition to 6 penalty points and money loss, will be added a criminal conviction to my record. Criminal conviction is not as bad as criminal record, but still can appear in a deep or hard check. If I am a British citizen, I could take a risk, but as a foreigner in this country, the impact of a criminal conviction could be extremely painful for me. I know it is complicated to distinguish criminal record and criminal conviction. If you need more explanation about what is what, feel free to leave a comment below or contact me directly via Instagram. You'll find a link on my Instagram page in the description below. I had nearly no choice and rang the police that I have to accept the conditional offer. There are some good news for some foreigners. To the list of designated countries you can exchange your driving license has been recently added: the Republic of North Macedonia, Taiwan, Ukraine and the United Arab Emirates. It may work for me because as a new driver in the UK, having 6 points is nearly disqualification, but if I will exchange my old foreign license, I become an old and experienced driver, and the allowance of points will increase to 12 points. There are many comments from the potentially responsible guys in the same situation as we want to go to court. One of the subscribers is a British citizen and decided to take a risk to go ahead and finds getting potential criminal conviction not as bad as endorsement of 6 penalty points. I want to ask all of you, dear subscribers, if we can create a fundraiser to hire the strongest lawyers for the guys to make everything possible to win, as winning one case will create a new law for all of us. Unfortunately, I'm not an e-scooter rider anymore, but I'm going to support you until the issue is fully regulated. If you would like to support this idea of potential making a law-winning court for somebody, let us know in a comment below. If you know how to organize this fundraising campaign, it would be great if you share this with us, as I've never done that before. If you are a lawyer, it would be great if you can support us by advisors against the unfair treatment of e-scooter riders. Thank you for joining us today. Let me also remind you that we have a goal to get a critical amount of subscribers to be able to get 10,000 or 100,000 signatures for the petition to the government to legislate e-scooters in the UK. To achieve this quickly, we need your help. Simply subscribe on this channel, click on the like button and share this video with anybody you know having an e-scooter in the UK. To avoid a potential criminal conviction record, you have to accept the conditional offer if you receive one. In my case, it's £300 fine and endorsement of 6 penalty points. I received a reminder from the police saying that they recently sent me a conditional offer, and there is a note that I made a payment, but they haven't received my license yet. It might be because I had a written conversation to them and we had some letters sent back and forth from the solicitor to the police and back, and actually when I was making a payment I missed the 28 days deadline. However, I rang them and they confirmed that I still can pay and accept their conditional offer. Next, what I'll need to do, I'll need to ring them again to double check if they received the letter with my license. Just a quick instruction: if you are in the same situation with the conditional offer of the fixed penalty and endorsement of points, of any points, after you have paid your fine, you have to send them this form with your driving license for proceeding with endorsement of the penalty points. I also asked them if I'm receiving my provisional driving license back. They confirmed that yes, I am receiving it because it's only 6 points on it. And there is still a question for me: is 6 points disqualification from driving, or more than 6 points is disqualification for a new driver? I also cancelled my driving test, which I was waiting for more than a year, and now I'm going to try to exchange my foreign driving license to the UK one, as I have received this opportunity recently.